Welcome to another episode of Dear Parents. Today we bring you exciting updates on your child's digital journey with IIPGH. Our amazing students are gearing up for their final presentations. They built creative apps in App Inventor, designed fun games in Scratch, analyzed real-world data through data analytics, and crafted stunning visuals in graphic design and web design. It's inspiring to see how they apply what they've learned to real-world tasks. We are excited for you to witness their progress and celebrate these achievements. Stay tuned for more updates. And as always, thank you, dear parents, for supporting your child's digital journey. Let's keep fostering their love for technology. Until next time on Dear Parents.